Hi everyone, this is a Q&A video of ServiceNow where we will talk about the challenges we will get it get in ServiceNow day-to-day basis and the solution for it. Okay, so basically today I will give a quick context what the issue or what the challenges we are getting. So basically when we are creating a record producer and I'm taking a record producer from like, it is my personal instance and I'm just for the example for showing the example I'm taking this record producer example. And when you get a requirement to add the checkboxes at the end of the like record producer, and okay, by adding like there will be a three or multiple. So basically in ServiceNow, what is the behavior is if you add more than one checkbox in a row, then okay, you will get like this. You will get a heading called options, and for if your client want to make these three as mandatory, it's not possible because if it is comes under the title called option, if you click on one checkbox among the three you can able to submit this record producer. So this is a issue or a challenges you get while working in the record producer. So basically what the requirement here is we want we are enforcing user to check this all boxes, not only one, and this option title should not be available. So this is a challenge, but using a checkbox we can't do. ServiceNow, if it is more than one checkbox, ServiceNow will give a title called option, and there will be a it will comes under the option. So to skip this part, what we'll do in between the checkbox, we will like insert one more variable called container split. So that time what will happen? ServiceNow feel it is a single checkbox. After container split, okay, it will a single checkbox. So it will show mandatory for every checkbox and it will easy as well. Yeah, we will add it 55 and the 65. We need a two container split. So basically here I'm showing in the personal instance, but these challenges I got while working on my project as well. 55 and 65. Okay, so as you can see here, in order 55 we added a container split, and order 65 we added a container split. So now service now feel like okay, there will be one checkbox, one checkbox, one checkbox. If you insert in a row more than one checkbox, that time the title will come, and it is bit irritating also what I feel. Now if if I'm refreshing it, you can see it will give separate checkbox, and like if I'm clicking one, then these two checkbox also mandatory. So it will enforce user to check this box as it is true. And okay, whatever I written, it's only for example. There will be some other also as per the requirement. And as well, this gap will not this much as I seen when I working on a project. It's normal how will be there, but I think here it bit the gap will bit large, but If you're working normally, if you have any company portal where the record portal is available, you can check it. The gap is not this much. Yeah. So I hope this video will help you to understand it. And yeah, same. You can submit it, and the issue is resolved. So this is about this video. And if you have any challenges you are facing while working on ServiceNow, please feel free to comment it down. And yeah, if you have any feedback also, uh, put it in comment. And thank you for seeing this video, and I will be bringing more video as I'm going through ServiceNow.